In front of me is Motorola Moto G85, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then before doing anything, use those three dots at the top right one and hit settings to adjust all of those. Then go back and tap on this plus icon at the bottom in the middle to create new alarm. Set up an hour, hit OK, and adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. And to exclude some, use this plus next to pause alarm. Then you need to pick days of the week that you wish to discard. Tap on OK. And to delete them, use remove button right next to them. Thanks to those two icons though, you can manage vibration option and add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine. Last but not least, use this bell icon. Download one of those sound sources or tap on dismiss and click on the best option for you. You can tap on YouTube Music or Spotify, log in and use music from it. You can select sounds and tap on Add New to tap on any song from your smartphone or simply apply one of those available melodies. Now to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!